Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Today, we will practice English listening and shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and repeat. You copy my voice, my speed, and my intonation. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy. Our topic today is Basic English for Travel. We will learn simple and useful sentences for airport, hotel, shopping, and restaurants. These are the most important phrases when you travel abroad. Let's start. At the airport. Listen first. Then, repeat after me. Hello, I have a ticket. Repeat. Hello, I have a ticket. Where is the check-in desk? Repeat. Where is the check-in desk? Here is my passport. Repeat. Here is my passport. Where is the gate? Repeat. Where is the gate? What time is boarding? Repeat. What time is boarding? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Repeat. Excuse me, where is the restroom? In the airplane. Listen and repeat. Can I have some water, please? Repeat. Can I have some water, please? Can I change my seat? Repeat. Can I change my seat? Excuse me, I need help. Repeat. Excuse me, I need help. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. At the hotel. Hello, I have a reservation. Repeat. Hello, I have a reservation. Can I check in, please? Repeat. Can I check in, please? Here is my passport. Repeat. Here is my passport. What time is breakfast? Repeat. What time is breakfast? Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Repeat. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? I would like to check out. Repeat. I would like to check out. At a restaurant. Hello. Table for one, please. Repeat. Hello. Table for one, please. Can I see the menu? Repeat. Can I see the menu? I would like a coffee. Repeat. I would like a coffee. I would like chicken and rice. Repeat. I would like chicken and rice. Can I have some water? Repeat. Can I have some water? How much is it? Repeat. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? The food is very good, thank you. Repeat. The food is very good. Thank you. Shopping. Hello. How much is this? Repeat. Hello. How much is this? Do you have this in another color? Repeat. Do you have this in another color? Can I try it on? Repeat. Can I try it on? It is too small. Repeat. It is too small. It is too big. Repeat. It is too big. I like it. I will take it. Repeat. I like it. I will take it. Can I pay in cash? Repeat. Can I pay in cash? Thank you. Have a nice day. Repeat. Thank you. Have a nice day. In a taxi. Hello. Can you take me to the hotel? Repeat. Hello. Can you take me to the hotel? How much is the ride? Repeat. How much is the ride? Please stop here. Repeat. Please stop here. Thank you. Keep the change. Repeat. Thank you. Keep the change. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Repeat. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the bus station? Repeat. Where is the bus station? How do I get to the city center? Repeat. How do I get to the city center? Is it far? Repeat. Is it far? Thank you for your help. Repeat. Thank you for your help. Emergency phrases. I need a doctor. Repeat. I need a doctor. Please call the police. Repeat. Please call the police. I lost my passport. Repeat. I lost my passport. Additional travel phrases. Listen and repeat. Do you speak English? Repeat. Do you speak English? Please speak slowly. Repeat. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. Can you write it down? Repeat. Can you write it down? Where can I buy a SIM card? Repeat. Where can I buy a SIM card? I need a map. Repeat. I need a map. One ticket to the city center, please. Repeat. One ticket to the city center, please. What time does the bus leave? Repeat. What time does the bus leave? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Repeat. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Is breakfast included in the price? Repeat. Is breakfast included in the price? Can I have a receipt, please? Repeat. Can I have a receipt, please? I am lost. Repeat. I am lost. How long does it take? Repeat. How long does it take? This is an extra practice section. Repeat the short sentences slowly. Shadow me. Listen, repeat, and copy my speed. Good job. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next video. Where is the pharmacy? Repeat. Where is the pharmacy? I need medicine. Repeat. I need medicine. Is there a hospital near here? Repeat. Is there a hospital near here? I have an allergy. Repeat. I have an allergy. I'm allergic to nuts. Repeat. I'm allergic to nuts. I need a taxi now. Repeat. I need a taxi now. Could you call a taxi, please? Repeat. Could you call a taxi, please? Good work. Repeat this whole lesson one more time. Great job. You listened and repeated many important travel sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. Listen again and shadow the sentences many times. This will help you speak English more naturally. Thank you for watching my first video. If you liked it, please subscribe and stay with me for the next lesson. See you soon.